Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a common data problem that many analysts encounter. The problem involves dealing with missing values in a dataset and calculating a new column based on specific conditions. In this case, we have a dataset with columns for SU, time, and AMT, and we want to create a new column called TFDS. The goal is to fill in missing values in the SU column by subtracting the time value from the previous non-missing AMT value in the dataset. Now, let's discuss the solution to this problem. To achieve the desired outcome, we can use a combination of functions from the dplyr and tidyr packages in R. We start by creating a temporary column called TMP, where we store the time value if the corresponding AMT value is not missing. Then, we use the fill function to propagate the non-missing time values downward. Finally, we calculate the TFDS column by subtracting the previous non-missing time value from the current time value. This approach allows us to accurately fill in missing values in the SU column based on the specified conditions. In summary, we've tackled a common data problem by leveraging the capabilities of R's dplyr and tidyr packages. By following a structured approach using temporary columns and appropriate functions, we were able to generate the desired TFDS column in our dataset. We hope you found this solution helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!